We jumping, man. We ain't playing with nobody. We at dance, craft, and things at my local hobby shop. Let's get in here. We all heard about the San Funko. Beast mode. This is what I'm gonna put on y'all damn Typhons. We ain't playing with nobody. Let's get inside. I've seen it on YouTube, but I haven't seen it in person. And I really want to do that. I'll let you go first, buddy. Oh, you got it? Okay. Hello. Fine. Yeah, guys, let's go get over to the new San Funko. Real quick, for a little bit. Oh man, we got to do a little twirl around all the little hobby stuff they got. All the little hobby stuff they got. When y'all come visit me, man, I'm gonna bring y'all right to my favorite store real quick for a little bit. I might just tell them to lock the door, man, when I'm ready, because we leaving out with everything, and I'm gonna need an extra car to help me take some shit home. We ain't playing with nobody. Oh, guys, I'm here with it in person. Hello, how y'all doing?
What happened?
Man, I have to look. I'm doing a review on this drink real quick for a little bit. There we go, guys. I'm telling y'all right now. And we're gonna see our buddy Leon with this thing first. Leon, I already know. Oh. So even if I had the money, I still couldn't take it out of here until tomorrow. Let's review this thing my way real quick for a little bit. Yes, sir. And it feels so solid.
You want to pull the top off?
Yeah, man. Oh, it's a clipless release body?
Of course it is.
What?
Did you get good shots of that interior?
No, I didn't get good shots of that interior. They have room for 2 more guys in the back.
Right?
Man. Or ladies. I don't want to forget about the ladies because we do have RC women in the community.
Absolutely.
Hold on. And these things glow up.
Yep, he's got a little battery on him.
What?
Normally it plugs into the radio box, but
Okay.
we don't have anything in the radio box.
Oh.
We're just using that
Yeah.
to power it for display. I was just going to put some more
Yeah.
juice in it.
Yeah, it looked like it was starting to go down.
How do it look underneath? Yeah. Okay, guys, check it out underneath that joint real quick for a little bit. And then you can plug your battery pack up right here. This for the glow sticks. Oh, man. Whoa.
So this is for the front brakes. You know this has disc brakes up front, right?
It got disc brakes up
It has
front.
disc brakes up front. You can see them right
Man.
in there.
Yeah.
There's the calipers.
I'll be able to come pick mine up in July. Yep. Look at that, man. You see the brake wheels? And we'll turn it out. Look at that, guys. Leon, you ain't gonna be playing with nobody. And then the front is built different from every other Traxxas truck.
Yep, this is basically like the Max.
The Max,
Max.
yep.
Yep. And then they completely redesigned the front end. All
Whoa.
block. There's no drive shaft or anything because it's rear wheel drive. It's direct
Yeah.
drive.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
And then did you get close-ups of this motor?
No, I didn't get the motor yet.
It's got a Whipple supercharger blower on it.
Is this thing
R2C.
active?
What's that?
This thing active?
No, it's just plastic.
Okay.
Yep. They do sell chrome
Okay.
motors if you want to upgrade your motor.
To chrome.
Look at these headers, man, coming out the sides.
Yeah.
Look at the exhaust manifold. Look how hot that is. So they make those in chrome also for you.
Dude, this thing is an absolute beast. I know it's only 2 wheels. Guys, I'm telling y'all right now. I know this price right here is scaring a lot of people. Don't worry about that. This truck, I'm telling you right now, it's worth it. And I'm definitely getting one. And it's the brake system right here.
Yep, that's how you adjust the brakes. So you can, you know, tighten them up a little bit so you get a little more stopping power up front.
Man.
Same power system in it as the XRT.
Would I be able to, damn. Same power, same drivetrain as the XRT?
Well, same power system.
Okay.
It's got the nice big huge heat sink with the
Yep.
2 fans on it.
Yep.
Whereas the Max just has the 1 fan on top.
My wait is almost over in a little bit, man. I appreciate this, man. Thank you so
gorgeous,
much.
isn't it?
It's so super gorgeous. And these don't bloom.
No, well they shouldn't because
No.
there's no power going to it.
Right.
And these are belted. Unlike the other paddle tires that they make for the Max, those are not belted.
They're
tires.
not belted?
Those aren't belted, but these are.
Yeah, I love this thing, man.
They're gonna have chrome beadlock rings for you if you want to do chrome beadlock rings.
Oh, they're gonna have the chrome ones?
Yep. They're gonna have the same tires that are on
On the XRT?
The Gravix tires.
Yeah.
They're gonna be on these rims. So probably in another month or 2, they'll start making those available.
I need all of this, guys. Okay, so the Max, that's the Max with the longer chassis right there, right?
That's the Max, yep.
Okay.
The wide Max, they call it now, but it's just a Max. And check
Man.
out how easy this goes. Ready?
Yep. That's it?
Body's on.
Now for this thing here,
Yeah, what happened, man?
everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Right?
I need to, do you guys sell just the part to this, the back bumper?
The brace
Yeah,
for it.
just the-
I'm not sure how the part comes, but I'll go and look for you and see.
And I need this right here. Yeah.
Your whole rear bulkhead.
Yeah, I need the rear bulkhead, yeah.
Okay.
So I need the rear bulkhead for that. Then I want to see if I can reach the rear bulkhead for the X-Max too. And the ring gear.
Ring gear and a bulkhead for the
X-Max. But I want to see if I can reach it. But I'll just get the bulkhead for this first, see how much that costs first.
Okay.
Because I do need the bottom bulkhead, the chassis piece for the X-Max,
Okay.
and the ring gear.
Okay. So let's work on this first.
Okay, yeah.
I know you also have a
Yeah.
a layaway.
Yeah. And I'm going to put $20 on my layaway. Hey, man, I want to put $20 toward my $40 thing. No, thank you, guys.
I'll do it for you once we're done doing the other stuff. Okay.
Okay. And eventually, y'all, this is what we're going to do. Okay, I won't call it a crawler. These are trail trucks. I need this, guys. I can crawl like a champ then. Well, I could trail like a champ. Real soon, y'all. And they got different things going on here, different rims. Different rims. My boy Dipshit with the cell phone, he just got the TRX up there. I see your truck, buddy. And I go Tony and Albert's. Yep, the crawler section, the crawler side, and trail truck side. Even got the little guys. The little guys is a lot of fun. Hold on, what is this? You guys didn't tell me you had this over here.
That's right, you haven't been in.
Hold on, y'all. They not playing with nobody in here. We just seen a San Funko down there. But they have this thing over here. This the low C, DBXL 2.0.
This is the gas.
The gas version. I have to bring gas to my channel.
It's probably time, right?
Yes, but I'll be ready. I'll be ready. I'll have my money. June, I'm coming here to get everything. I'm gonna need a couple cars.
Such a long road for you.
It's been a long road, bro. It's been a long road.
I'm glad that it's finally wrapping up.
Yes, and I need every boat. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun. Every boat. They even came out with a new. Is this a new? What's this?
This
What?
one actually is a used one. This is an older color scheme they did a couple years ago.
Yeah, this a used one.
41. Yeah, it's really in really good shape.
Yes. Dude, and I love the color scheme on that. I never seen that. Cause I'm gonna be back in here to buy a new vehicle, maybe hopefully Friday. And what I want to do is just go ahead and get a boat real quick for a little bit. And the one, do you still got the? Yep, it's the one that flip itself over.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm coming back, man. And you know I need the tools for the job. I'm gonna come in here. Well, we still need more business to come in. But I'm gonna come in here, I'm serious. I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna get every crawl I've been looking at. I'm gonna get every basher I've been looking at and boat. Right here, I'm coming here first.
Look at your setup.
Yep. How fast this thing go out the box, you think?
They say around 50.
50?
Matt thinks it's a little over that, but they say around 50.
What you guys think about it? I'm bringing this I gotta bring gas to the channel anyway. There it go. One-stop shop right here at the shop. Let's go see what he got.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you know what? So we'll just take care of this car. We'll get this bar right here and the rear bulkhead.
Okay, well, it looks like you might need more than just the rear bulkhead. Let me just make sure.
No, that's a part of the bulkhead.
Okay.
Yep, you see it's missing
I
too.
just want to make sure you got your screw right there that goes down through the top. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I just don't want you to walk out the
No,
door.
no,
without the stuff
no.
you need, right?
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Worse when you get home, you're like, I didn't get that other part I needed.
Yep. So guys, there it go. Real quick for a little bit. This joint fire. Leon, go ahead and get it. The first chance I get, I'm gonna come get it. Beast mode. This got your name written all over it, brother. This got your name written all over it. It's crazy. It's a beast. It's a beast. It got your name written all over it, man. Come on over to the Traxxas side real quick for a little bit. Hold on. I almost forgot. Let me show you guys what I'm going to do to y'all down here in a little bit. There it go. This going to be the new Typhon killer. This right here, guys. Yes, sir. I'm going to do it. You got it. You got it. Oh, that wasn't even the real one. This the real one. This the real one, beast. Man. That's the real one. You know what? We'll do them both and just switch out the electronics. And then hold on. We got to start drifting too, right? We need to start drifting. We need to start drifting. There go that battery back box. I'm definitely coming to get both. Yes, sir. Battery safety is important. That Traxxas stand is nice. Yeah. They got it. They got the one with the street tires. They got it. There go the mini Z's. Dirt Zombie. Mini Z's. They ain't playing with nobody. Got everything to get you back on the road in no time. One-stop shop. Let's check it out, man, real quick for a little bit. We jumping. We ain't playing with nobody. Cut it.